Hello everyone. Alright. Dear scholar, at the first, I wish you a long life. Alright. Dear scholar, this time I have for you chapter 1. Chapter 1, the last lesson. Okay. Chapter 1, the last lesson. This is prose section. Okay. From your Flamingo book. Okay. Class 12. Alright. Dear scholar, watch carefully. This is the picture, okay, of Alphonse Daudet. The last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. Alright. Next, dear scholar, as you are watching here, this is the picture of Franco-Prussian, okay, Franco-Prussian War. War you might be knowing, that is fight. Okay, let's study Franco-Prussian War, which took place 1870-1871. Alright, this corner. Let's see what happened in this lesson. Alright, theme and background. The last lesson revolves around the language and its importance to the citizen of a country. Dear scholar, this story, the chapter last lesson, shows us, okay, importance of the language, importance of the language, okay, to the citizen. It is our duty to, okay, safeguard, or it is our duty to care the language. Okay, we must respect our language during the time. We must respect our language. All right. Here talking about language, but generally, dear scholar, okay, we do not only respect our language but also respect, okay, the things, okay, like we must respect our teachers. All right, it is the duty of every citizen, okay, to safeguard this language. Okay, dear scholar, it means we must respect our language. All right. The lesson depicts how the Prussian wanted to rule over, alright, rule over not only, rule over the minds and heart of the people, okay, rule over not only the territory of France but also over the minds and heart of the people. Dear scholar, studying about Franco-Prussian War. This is the picture of Franco-Prussian War. Okay, Franco here, that is France. Franco, that is France. Okay, and Prussian, Prussian, that is Germany. Prussian is the ancient name, or you could say old name of Germany. Alright. Franco-Prussian War took place in 1870. Okay, to 1871. Alright. Okay, dear scholar, okay, dear scholar, talking about Franco-Prussian War, okay, which took place in 1871. Alright. Dear scholar, the last lesson story. This is the name of the chapter. The chapter name is The Last Lesson. Okay, by Alphonse Daudet. This story shows us how people feel. Okay, how people feel when they don't, okay, learn their language. Alright. The story also tells us the fact that we value something more when it is lost. Dear scholar, I wish to advise you, okay, we must respect things, okay. Okay, dear scholar, hello. During the time, okay, this story tells us we must respect Okay, the things, okay, the things like teach, okay, also you put the teacher, we must respect our teacher. Okay, here talking about language. Okay, let's see Franco-Prussian War, which took place 1870, 1871. Okay, what was impact, or you could say what was the effect of the war? Okay, Franco-Prussian War. Franco, that is France, France. Okay, France was defeated by Prussia. All right, dear scholar, this is theme and background of the lesson. Okay, the story is this, okay. The last lesson. The story last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. Franco-Prussian War, which took place, okay, in 1870, 1871. Right? As you are watching here, picture. Okay. This is the map. This is the picture and this one map. Okay. Yes, caller. 1 minute cursor side please. Let's see. This story. Okay. Cursor. The story, the last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War, which took place 1870, 1871. Alright. France. Okay. France. Look here. France was defeated by Prussia. Yes, scholar. France was defeated by Prussia. Look here. France was defeated by Prussia. Okay. Yes, scholar. This is the map. Okay. Here you watch carefully. France. Okay. France and Germany. Prussia. Prussia, that is Germany. Alright. The French district, there were two districts, Alsace and Lorraine. Alsace and Lorraine. The French districts of Alsace and Lorraine had passed into whose hand? Prussian hand. Okay, actually France was defeated by Prussia. Okay, therefore the French district Alsace and Lorraine had passed into whose hand? Prussian hands. Okay, as you are watching here, red mark. This is the Alsace and Lorraine district. There were two districts, Alsace and Lorraine. That is the district of France. The French district Alsace and Lorraine. Okay, both passed into Prussian hand. Alright. After that, the orders came from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. Dear scholar, talk about the French district. France was defeated by whom? France was defeated by Prussia. That is Germany. Okay, that is Germany. Alright. And the French district, okay, named Alsace and Lorraine. First Alsace, next Lorraine had passed into whose hand? Prussian hand, that is Germany. Prussian, that is Germany. Okay, German hands. Okay, after that what happened? The orders came from Berlin. Teach only German what? German language in the school of two districts, Alsace, okay, Alsace and Lorraine. Which language? German language. Okay. A young boy named Franz. Okay. Dear scholar, a young boy named Franz. Franz is the narrator. Boy. Okay. Franz is the narrator of this story, the last lesson. Franz is the narrator of the lesson. Okay. He talks his last lesson of French language at his school. Dear scholar, let's quickly revise it. Talking about war. Which war? Above. Which war? Franco-Prussian War, which took place 1871. Okay. 1871. Okay. In this war, France was defeated by Prussia. France was defeated by, dear scholar, Prussia. Okay. Therefore, the French district, there were two, okay, district, Alsace, Alsace and Lorraine. There were two districts, Alsace and Lorraine, were occupied by Germany. Germany, that is Prussia. Alright, that is Prussia. And orders came, what orders came? To teach only which language? German language in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. Okay, who is the narrator of this story? Last lesson, France. France is boy. Okay, alright, dear scholar, this is the picture of Franco-Prussian War. Alright, dear scholar, the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. He was a short story writer and novelist. Alright, dear scholar, I wish you to study at home Franco-Prussian War. Later on, we'll read story summary. Alright, see you later.